Okay, today you're going to create an hours of operation. So first I'm going to ask you to read the slides that are attached to today's assignment. So let's get into that. And you'll see that there are, oh, did I forget to put that on there? Oh, here it is, the do now. Okay, so in the do now, it looks like the slides that I give you every day. All right, I want you to get started right away on your hours of operation sign. You're going to be creating a table and you're going to be doing things like formatting and merging that table. So, first of all, what is an hours of operation sign? Read this and check out an example and check out my example. So, let's check out my example in a larger form. You'll notice I have my logo at the top and it's centered. I also put a border around it. I'd like you to do the same. I have my company name in its custom font and color. Do that. I have a title. It looks like a title. It's centered. It's large enough. And then I have a table. Notice I have two columns in the table until I get down to the bottom. Okay, you will need to do a disclaimer at the bottom as well. So you can copy what I say here or put your own in. Of course, it's got to be your own phone number. Your hours of operation might be different from mine, but I do want you to list every single day of the week. So let's get into a blank document. Okay, and you have a blank document attached to your assignment. Remember, you're going to put in your logo, your company name, your title, hours of operation, and then you're going to create a table. So I'm going to start by going to create table. Okay, I know that for my table, I'm going to have two columns. I know there's 7 days in the week, and then I need one extra. So I'm going to create a table that looks like this. Okay, I'm going to enter my information like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and so on. And then I'm going to enter my hours, like maybe I open on Mondays at 9 a.m. and I close at 6 p.m. Maybe I'm closed on Tuesdays. I'm going to enter that in. But notice how boring that looks compared to this. So I'm going to ask you to use some fonts and some colors. Okay, you're going to use the color fill the same way you did before. So if I wanted to select this row, I could select all the data in it. I'm going to choose a much more interesting looking font. I'm going to make it bigger. And maybe I want to fill this cell with a color. So I'm going to go to my bucket. I'm going to choose colors that are light colors so that I can read the text that is above them. If I use a dark color, I need to change my text to white. And I'm going to alternate them. You're going to continue doing that for all of the days of the week. When you get to this last row, you're going to select both cells. And then if you right click, remember a right click is two tabs, two fingers on the touchpad, and you're going to merge these cells so that they appear to be one. This is the only place in the table you're going to do any centering. Okay, you're going to center your text here, and you're going to type in some kind of disclaimer like what I said. Hours subject to change during school vacations, holidays, and summer. Call whatever number for details. Okay, and this is your assignment for today. Please get it done and make sure you follow the instructions in this video and in the assignment. Make sure you turn it in. If you haven't finished any of your other work, work on that for the remainder of the period. I will be asking the sub for the names of anyone who has control issues, so please do your best to control your mouths, your hands, and your bodies. Have a nice class.